I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get rich off Coinbase step by step. First, secure your account with strong passwords and two-factor authentication. Then fund a plan with consistent weekly buys, set risk limits, and avoid emotional selling during dips. Use dollar-cost averaging, and track portfolio performance weekly with target rebalancing to lock gains and manage exposure. My approach focuses on repeatable, low-stress steps you can follow every week. Allocate a fixed percentage of income to crypto buys, split between large cap coins and a small portion of higher-risk assets, reinvest staking rewards, and keep an emergency cash buffer to avoid forced selling. Review allocations monthly and adjust based on clear rules rather than gut feelings for steady compound growth. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like. Quick recommendation: the Owala water bottle keeps you hydrated during long trading sessions and prevents shaky hands when making big decisions. Plus, it fits in most cup holders and comes with a leak-proof lid. I use it while monitoring charts and research. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Protecting capital matters more than chasing fast gains, so always define how much you can lose on a trade before entering. Use position sizing rules, set clear stop losses, and avoid leverage if you want sustainable growth. Maintain a diversified portfolio, rebalance periodically, and document every trade to find patterns. Focus on long-term compounding and accept small setbacks as learning opportunities for future success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.